Everybody, this is L.O.L Surprise Pets. We're going to take this open. We got 2 stickers, so this isn't a sticker, but these are tiny little cute stickers. We're gonna keep that right here. So now these are Game Plus Ice Cube. Which one's that? So now we're gonna take the zipper actually off. Actually, it's not a zipper. So this is like golden. Wow. Let's see. So this is L.O.L. L.O.L. means laugh out loud. Wow. So we're going to keep that to the side because I think we're not ready for this yet. This one is the most important one, so I'm going to do it last. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's a little smoothie farm. I'm going to keep that right there. So this one's... This one's like, oh, cleaner. Anything else? Nope. Nothing. So now we're gonna do the special one. Special one. It's soft. It's really soft. So let's see which one is that. Maybe this. Maybe that. Yeah. It's Crystal Bunny we got. She's a fuzzy bunny. So now we're gonna go to this. This is connected. It's like connected sand, because it's like squishy, and like you put this guy inside on it, and then you like see him in it. Like that. So like, you're gonna put it back, and let's see how he looks. Okay, go. So this is like connected sand. It's blue and it's sparkly, just like her pink hair is sparkly. So like you can take it out with this. And my favorite color is actually blue. And yours might be blue. I don't really know because I don't want to judge you. So, like, there's something in. Oh, there's something in. This is like shoes. This is shoes for her. Like, you put it on. I'll put it on last. There has to be more because she has 4 feet. She doesn't have just one. Found one more. Found my second one. Now I just need one more shoe. I think. Got one. So, the shoes are put on. I love them because they're blue. My favorite color is blue, and it says that it has a necklace. Oh, there's a necklace in this hand. Blue also. So let's put that on. It's like she is in a cold place. And this is a cup. You put water in it, and then you squeeze it. Okay. Now we put it in her mouth. Then she will drink it. Then she drank it. Thank you for watching, boys and girls and children. Well, I hope you get more lovely Lovebird designs. This is it. I am the kid. And this is Crystal Bunny. Bye. I hope you have a nice day.